too late.
What's my name?
It's too late. You have to do it right away. Press it again.
What's my name? What's...
Can you pull it together?
Shut up. What's my name? My lips are sealed. I said, shut up. I said, my lips are sealed. Asshole. How many calories are in a bagel? What the hell do I care? What's...
Sorry, Your Highness.
It said it again. Shit. What's my... Oops. Asshole, what's my name?
There's no need for profanity.
Okay, we'll do this nice. What's my name now?
You're Karen, but you asked me to call you Your Highness.
Let's go. Get out of here.